What's up, everybody? Wanted to go fishing today, but like here in Florida, it feels like it's 105 degrees. It's hot, way hot. We went fishing Friday night, but anyhow, we're gonna do something different today. If you guys watched my cruise video, you heard me mention that one of the persons who went on our cruise had been on, I think, 25 different Carnival cruises, and that is Carrie's dad, Rusty. Rusty is a Carnival fanatic, so much so, and later on in this video you will see, he has an entire room painted, designed all the way down to the floor to look like a Carnival room. He has a Carnival whale tail painted on the wall. He did the floor exactly like the Lido deck. He has signs of every cruise he's gone on, and so I wanted to come up with a cool Father's Day gift for him that, well, you couldn't buy anywhere. I looked, and so today we're going to make him a Guy's Burger Joint sign replica, and I came up with a way to do that. Now, being a Coca-Cola guy, I knew very well that I couldn't destroy a replica Coca-Cola sign, but that doesn't mean we couldn't with a Pepsi sign. So we went on Amazon for like $15. I found a Pepsi bottle cap sign, which this one is all beat up. Huh. So we got us this Pepsi sign, which I'll be right back. Now, for what it's worth, for what we're doing with it, it's not going to matter because we're going to deface this thing, but because I like to write Amazon reviews, I am going to take pictures of this and leave a bad review. So we'll be right back. Okay, so we're back. Now, for those of you who don't know, who's never been on a Carnival Cruise, the Guy's Burger Joint is a sign that looks like a bottle cap.
Be one of your staples. If at all possible, from the daytime, don't go to the buffet. Guy's is open from 12 until 6:30.
So we have ourselves a bottle cap. I dug around online and actually found a PNG of the logo, which I took to a print shop and had it printed up. Now the problem is, this sign is white. Guy's Burger Joint's bottle cap is silver. That's where the paint comes in, so let's get started. Roll this down here. Now you see why I said it doesn't matter that it's all scratched up, because we're painting over it, and this is also why I said I didn't want to use a Coca-Cola sign, because I'm a Coca-Cola fan. I could care less about Pepsi, and oh, by the way, Pepsi is no longer the number 2 soda. Dr. Pepper has taken their place. So why not just cover this Pepsi sign up? Now I'm going to let this dry for a few minutes, and we'll get back to it. Now, for those with a keen eye, you said, wait a minute, there's already silver paint on that trash can. And good for you, you have a keen eye. Let me show you why. Time to take this guy and stick it on that guy. Now, I too am kind of becoming a fan of cruising because, well, I'm getting older and they're fun. And so I kind of wanted one of these signs too. Now, here is the Guy's Burger Joint sign that I found online. And my intention is to cut out the circle and get rid of the bottle cap appearance. And much like any other TV show, I've actually already made one of these. So now I'm making mine, and here is the logo after you cut it out. Now, the difference between this one and the one I already made, you'll see that seam, right there, that little seam. That's because I put plastic waterproofing on this. I wanted to see how it turns out. There are a little bit of air bubbles in there, and so I'm going to take this and put it on that Pepsi sign. But as I've already alluded to, I've already made one, and here it is. Here is the final project. Now this one does not have the plastic proofing on it. It's nice and clean. I'll probably give this one to Rusty because I know he'll put it in his house, in that room which is temperature controlled, whereas mine's going to go in the garage and it's going to get dirty and dusty, and at some point I'll want to wipe it off. But depending on how the final product turns out, I may let Carrie decide if we want to give him the plastic coating or this one. This one does look nice, but my only concern is that someday someone might want to try to clean this and spray Windex on it, at which point the ink will run. But I don't know. Maybe I'm just being goofy. And there you have it. My unofficial Guy's Burger Joint Carnival Cruise hamburger stand sign. Covers up the hole in my wall perfectly. And remember, kids, if it ain't for sale, it ain't bootleg.
This has been a Digital 410 production.